That's the overlap stone.
Yep.
It looks like it's a ways away.
Uh-huh.
Something tells me we're going to be climbing stairs again.
Yeah, this place we have to buy the ticket to go up. And everyone gets one ticket and free drink, one drink. Beautiful ocean.
Already the views are incredible.
Mm-hmm.
We're only halfway there.
So exciting to go to the top.
Oh my god, an elephant? Who expected that?
Alright, we need to walk again, babe. We need to prove we're not old. We can do it. We can do it.
Keep going. Almost there. I can see it.
We made it. Last set.
Last step.
Okay, you go first.
Wow, nice view.
Oh, so dangerous. Yeah, I don't know if you bring your kids here or not.
Yeah, no railings.
Yeah, they try to favor the natural look. Ah, feel good.
Let's get the drone out. Gotta look amazing from above.
You do a very good job.
It's unbelievable, but these stones just sit here like this.
I know. Beautiful. And a lot of coconut tree. Don't hit. Yeah, everyone look happy. We made it. How long it take? You remember? Almost half hour to walk?
Pretty close. You think you're gonna move that thing?
Yep. Yeah, we made it. See? That's a red point that is for check-in.
So many coconut trees.
All green. It's goodwill. Beautiful.
I left my phone on my bike for an hour, and it was still there when I got back.
But we're not done yet.
Where are we going?
Well, I don't want to give it away just yet. Because that's maybe going to be another video. But we're going to ride down to the bottom of this hill, and then we're going to jump on a red truck. Because that's the only way you can get to this place. You excited?
Oh yeah.